Hi, I'm Kyle, and I'm an electrical engineer for Coffman Engineers. I work on the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing side of construction, and we work together to create blueprints for high-rises or hotel renovations. There's lots of collaboration going on with mechanicals and architects and contractors. It's only 30 to 40% engineering because most of it is collaboration, just so that it meets codes and regulations and designs that the client wants. Gonzaga University prepared me for the career I have now by having professors from the industry that have really practical knowledge about some of the things I'm doing now. My biggest takeaway from Gonzaga is just how to be intentional when talking to others. You know, lots of our classes are discussion oriented, whether it's like science or philosophy. There's always a perspective on how to solve a problem, and just to be able to know where someone comes from and like why they prefer one thing over there really helps in the job I have now. I come from a family of farmers and like blue collar workers, so coming back with a degree meant the world to my parents because I was the first in my family to go off to college. So to come back home with like such a practical degree, it was great for me.